Morning, folks. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? This is a quick tip video. I ran across a new vendor. I needed some lacquer thinner. I was ordering some other stuff online. I was ordering it through Amazon, and I coupled it, because I'm a Prime member, with some other orders that I had made. Now, the name of the company is called Nanoskin, and it's lacquer thinner. So it's cheaper than a lot of lacquer thinner. Now I use clean strip too. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at the big box stores, whatever else, but I didn't want to go out and get it. The price was very same, a little bit cheaper. I decided to go ahead and try this. Now along with this, they send you a catalog. I would tell you, if nothing else, I'll leave the website below here in a second. Go to Nanoskin's website. They sell a lot of automotive detailing products, and they sell a lot of different solvents and stuff like that. And I read about this lacquer, and I thought I'll give it a try. It's supposed to have a lower VOC with a medium kind of a set rate. And I thought, well, let me see how that works. I mean, in comparison to the clean strip. Both of them work equally fine. That I'll tell you before we even continue, the video. But I was reading people use the lacquer thinner to remove road tar. There's some videos out there where people put it in their gasoline because they said, well, it helps clean the screens on the catalytic converter. That's a very debatable topic. There's a lot of good mechanics out there that say it really, after hooking up their testers to it before, during, and after, there really is no significant difference. And don't run out there and put lacquer thinner in your car thinking it's going to cure your catalytic converter problems, because it's not. It was meant really as a cleaner. And they said, well, Scotty and some of these people on YouTube swear by it and they say it works. Other people say, no, it doesn't work. I can prove it. So they hook up their diagnostic tools and they take you, like I said, through a before, during, and after. So I didn't buy it for that. I buy it for thinning lacquer and for cleaning up a lot of my airbrush parts and stuff like that. Now, like with anything else, there's lots of complaints. Now the majority, probably 90-some-odd% of all the complaints was it ships and it comes in a big closed, plastic bag, and people said it leaked, or the top wasn't on tight, or the can was all dented up, stuff like that. Now, I don't care if the can's dented or not. It doesn't matter to me as long as it's not leaking, and it wasn't when I got it. The top was securely on there, and it actually has like an aluminum pressed in kind of a lid underneath this cap. You'd have to puncture it and pop it off, then screw this on. Mine didn't leak, okay, so I don't have those problems, and I didn't care about the can being dented. So disregarding all of those negative comments, there really wasn't any to really talk about. So I thought, well, I want to go ahead and I want to try this and see. And, you get all these comments, and I'm sitting here reading through them, that most of them, regarded the leaking. A lot of people are like, hey, put it in your fuel. Other people say, no, don't do that. It's not good advice. It can also, screw up some of your seals and other things as the product works its way through your engine system. Okay, that I don't know about. You have to either do it yourself or ask a mechanic or somebody. Not something I've tried. It's not something that I need to do. Again, I use it for that reason, but what I would tell you about this lacquer thinner, I like it. It does set up slower. It gives me a little bit more working time before it starts to set up. So I actually use brushing lacquer in my airbrushes like you see in the previous videos. Nothing wrong with using regular lacquer. If I took regular lacquer and I cut it 50% and I added back in lacquer thinner, I've pretty much made brushing lacquer. I just happen to pick up a can of brushing lacquer, and it lasts me quite a while because my projects are small. But whether it's brushing lacquer or using regular lacquer, this is a good product. It slows down that setup time. I'm kind of liking it, okay? But more interesting than that, I think, is what you need to do is get the free catalog. It's not costing you anything by just going to the website. I make nothing off of it. I mean, don't think that I do. I don't. I'm just passing on some good information to you. Everything that I generally buy is from Amazon. But when you get this catalog, there are products in the catalog as far as cleaning automobiles and different solvents, and there's all kinds of really interesting things I've never tried that are supposed to be outstanding products from, reading through different reviews on different items. So I like to talk about the things that I actually bought and tried. That way you know firsthand, I mean, good or bad. And the people at Nanoskin, they seem pretty cool. I mean, you know, I called there. I was wondering about the shipment because I thought, you know, it would have been here sooner. I didn't read it correctly, which is my fault. It didn't ship, you know, 2 days, so it took 3 or 4 days. But I mean, it got here, wasn't a big deal, but the people are real friendly. I don't have anything to say about that. But I will tell you that having the catalog is really cool to flip through it and take a look at all of these different products that they have. Give me a moment. Let me see if I can find the catalog. Okay, so I went and got the catalog. It says Beyond the Light Nanoskin 2016 catalog for professional care products. So this is what they'll send you, and they got the toll-free 800 numbers and all that stuff on here. Let me see, where is this at? Santa Fe Springs, California. So what's in here? Solvents and removers, pro tunnel products, auto scrub, waxes, polymers, paint, sealants, glass treatment, dressings and protectants, leather and vinyl treatment, cleaner soaps, degreasers, maintenance, specialty products, classic compounds, polishes, glazes, air fresheners, accessories, aerosols, evergreen, eco-friendly systems. And then when you flip through this, it's got bonnets for buffing machines, it's got compounds for buffing machines, it's got reducer for, you know, the lacquer thinners and stuff like that. It's got spot remover, tar solvent, acetone, cleaning solvents, foam polishes. The pad systems, they all come complete with pads and buffing wheels and all kinds of stuff like that. Let's see. All kinds of glass treatment. Oh God, there's so many different solvents, additives, bumper shine, bumper gel, upholstery cleaners, specialty products, spot free, iron free, essence. I don't know, things that I really would have to read through because I don't do a lot of auto detailing and stuff like that. Let's see what else. Buffing machines, air pad cleaning guns, blow guns, stuff like that. They sell gloves, they sell microfiber cloths, tons of different kinds of brush pads and brushes and wire brushes and spoke brushes. I mean, it just goes on and on. They have spraying tips that you sink into bottles, just like you get at the dollar store kind of stuff. I don't know, caps, siphon tubes, aerosol spray paints, chrome aluminum, dull aluminum, trim black. And then there's a color chart in here where it shows you like a ton of different colored paints you can buy. Right, anyway, it's a decent little catalog. It's free. I would tell you to go ahead, contact them, whether that's the website or whatever, ask for the free catalog. It's one I'm gonna add into my list of products or things that I may buy in the future. Prices aren't bad at all. So it's kind of like your quick tip of the day. Nanoskin, I'm just buying the lacquer thinner. Like I said, I'm liking it so far. Yes, I would buy it again. Nothing wrong with Clean Strip though. If Clean Strip's handy for you to just pick up and use and buy at the spur of the moment, go ahead and do it. Putting in an order for other things, this tended to be for the moment on Amazon a lot cheaper than what I could buy lacquer thinner for locally, so I went ahead and got it and it shipped Prime. Well, I thought that it did, but it says Prime, but it ended up getting here later, but no big deal. Either way, it's a good product. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. I'll see you on the next video. You got any other questions? I mean, to me, I always thought lacquer thinner, no big deal. Well, not necessarily. Like I said, lower VOC, medium set time. It tends to work a little bit better for me in what I'm doing, but I still use Clean Strip. All right, folks, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Click subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff. Support my channel. I will keep doing videos as long as I know people are liking them. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.